Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. For those of you that are new here, welcome. My name is Kiwanna. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all on how I made my Dungeness crab seafood boil. Guys, when I say this boil was so good, it was just that. So, if you want to see how I made it and what I seasoned it with, keep watching. Okay guys, here are the Dungeness crab legs that I'm going to be using in my boil. I actually got these at my local fish market. They were $16.87 for a pound and a half. And guys, when I say these legs are heavy, I don't know if you guys know this, but the Dungeness crab, out of all the crabs together, have the most meat in them. So yeah, you can see that right there, looking at those knuckles, guys. When I say these things are heavy, they are just that. So that right there is what I'm going to be using. And here is my homemade butter rub that I use every time I do a seafood boil or make one. I finally decided to share this recipe with you guys. If you guys didn't see this video, I will post this link down below in my description box for you guys to go on over and check out of how I made my homemade butter rub. So I got all of my crab legs onto a paper towel. You can see they're somewhat wet, but we are going to pat them completely dry. That's the only way you're going to get that butter rub to stick. You don't want to have these wet and try to put it on there, because that butter is just going to pretty much roll off of the crab legs. And I mean, which it'll be good, you know, because it'll be down in the pan and you could just dip them. But guys, when you rub that butter rub on there and it get all up in that cluster at the top and the butter just kind of melt all the way down, it flavors the entire leg. Oh my God, guys, it get all in the crevices, all up in that, and will have your crab legs on. Oh my God, tasting so good. So again, here is my butter rub here. I had it marinating, you know, after I made it. And I got my crab legs into a pan here that I lined with parchment paper. Lord, I bake so much, I'm always talking about parchment paper. Aluminum foil. And I have my oven set to 400 because we're going to bake these for 30 minutes in the oven. But you guys see exactly what I am doing here. I'm taking that butter rub and I'm going right to the cluster first, because as that butter melt, it's going to just drop down all through the crab legs. And I'm also going to do the crab legs as well, you know, get all up in the knuckles and the all of that. Yeah, guys, just go ahead and rub it in there, and I could pretty much just let you guys watch what I'm doing. I think you guys got the idea already. But when I say that this is going to flavor your crab legs, oh my God. I have been doing my seafood boils like this since I actually showed you guys my last one, which was like 2 years ago. And I felt that doing it this way, as opposed to making a butter sauce, you will actually have the 2-in-1, because as that butter rub kind of melt off the crab legs as it's baking, it's going to go down into the pan, and you could just pour that into a bowl and still dip it, you know, your meat into the bowl. So like I said, you pretty much got 2-in-1, right? So, yeah, that's what I do, and that's what I've been doing. So, it's like I said, I just decided to share it with you guys. So, now I am going in with my corn and my smoked sausage. And you guys already know the shrimp go in last. I got the potatoes on the stovetop because, you know, those things take forever to cook. Okay, so those are being cooked on the stovetop. And then I'm just going to add them in after. So, like I said, now I'm adding in my sausage, and then I am going to take the last of my butter rub and just get it. Oh my God, guys, this corn right here is so sweet, and this butter rub just took that corn to a whole other level. It's like the sweetness with the spice and all. Oh my God. Had my corn just, I was in heaven. I'm not going to even lie. I was in heaven when I was eating this. And my daughter was so funny, guys. All you heard was cracking and smacking. Cracking and smacking. That's all you heard. She did not say a word when she was eating her boil. And don't even ask about Kiwanna. You guys already know that boy. You already know he wasn't playing around. He's very, very picky. Okay, so I got all of that in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover this with aluminum foil, and then we're gonna get this into the oven like I told you guys. Bake it for 30 minutes on 400, and here it is here, guys. I actually baked it for 25. Got my shrimp in there and baked it for another 5 minutes until they were done. And this is what I got, guys. Look at that. I don't even know what to say. I just let you guys watch it. But like I said, guys, if you try that butter rub, I guarantee you would love it. So that's it for this video, guys, showing you of how I made my Dungeness crab seafood boil. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing. And until next time, you guys take care. Bye.